Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how we can, perform an advanced filter. We've done a filter before, but we used autofill. So we want to see how we can carry out an advanced filter. So let's say we have data here, and then uh, we want, because we have gas station data here, we have about 10 different gas stations, and then we have gas sales and we have sales for other items in the gas stations. So we might want to play a little bit with that data. Let's say we want gas stations which have uh, gas sales, let's say less than 8,500, and then let's say maybe we want uh, gas stations which have other sales of other items ranging from, that is, less than or equal to 7,500. So we can do that using the autofill. That's quite simple, but let's try to do that using an advanced filter. Good. So what we want to do here is we are going to type in, let's say, advanced. Type in advanced filter. Then we type in advanced filter. Advanced filter criteria. Advanced filter criteria. And then we come here. We are going to input the names of these columns, so you can make sure that they are under the same column. So here we're going to have gas, and then here on the same column we're going to have other. Good. And then here we can input our condition. Now we can input our condition. Let's say for this one we want those with gas sales, let's say, less than 8,500, and for other we want those with other sales, let's say, less than or equal to 7,500. Good. So this is our criteria. So how do we implement this? So what we have to do is we come under data. Let's just do that there. So we come under data. Then we have to hit advanced. First of all, we have to highlight everything. Then we hit advanced. Good, we can see that there. And then criteria range, list range, we have that. Now criteria range, that's what we are going to input there. So criteria range, you can see this begins from B15. No, C. So we'll start here. So that is C16, B16 rather, to C17. So we're going to input that range. So we'll say B16 to C17. Good. So we have taken that, and I will say okay. Good. So you can see the information has been filtered there. So here the advanced filter has performed using the assumption that an AND filter. We can say AND. And what does that mean? That means these two properties have been considered. That means it has taken both gas stations that have gas sales less than 500. So in order for you to be here, you need to satisfy these two criteria. But what if we want to do an OR? That means if you have any of the criteria, you should appear here. In order to do an AND, it's simple. Both of them have to be on the same row. Like here, this is an AND because both of them are on the same row. But if you want to do an OR, what you need to do is you need to just bring them to different rows. Let's say we Control X there, and then we paste underneath there. Good. Here, if we launch this, we are doing an AND because now they are on different rows. So we can do that. So we'll do the same procedure. We just need to go to advanced. Let's go to advanced, and then so what we want to do here, we want to adjust everything, and then so we have to arrange our criteria range there. So our criteria range should range from B16 to C18. So we have B16 to C18, and then we have OK. Good. So you can see that works. So that one is for OR. Yeah, that's the OR. We can use OR filter. So for the OR, both of them have to be on different rows, and then for the AND, they have to be on the same row. So that's how we use an advanced filter. Thanks very much for watching, and if that video was helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button.